So hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here in this video I am going to show you how to download any research article or research paper. So first what you have to do, you have to go to Google and type Google Scholar. So click on this first link and then click here the research article or the paper that you want to download, or write down the keywords. So I am going to write here round and excited state dipole moment. Okay, so click here in this search tab. Then here you are going to get the papers related to your work. So I want to download this paper, so click here. Some are available in PDF form, but which are not available, you have to click on the link, and then here you are going to get date of issue of any of the paper. Copy this link and go to the search engine and type here the website called SciHub, which is very useful to download any of the research article. Here click on this link, SciHub journal. So here you are going to get the interface like this. Here this is the crowd, you can see so here this websites I have to remove all barriers in the way of science, which is useful to download any of the research article. Click on copy that link and click on open. So you are going to have this complete research paper. So this paper you can download easily. If you go to the website directly, if you want to download, you will not get the link, or you are not going to download that paper. Once you go to this SciHub website and copy that link and paste it here, you are going to get the complete research paper. So this is how you can download. Here click on this download link and save it where you want downloads. I am going to desktop. So this research paper soft copy is going to be saved on your desktop. You can read it anytime. So because many of the researchers want to download the paper, but they don't know how to download, so you can download any of the paper. Sometime they will ask for fees or the charge you have to pay and to download that paper, but not necessary. Here you can see purchase PDF. So this cost is very high if you want to purchase it. So instead of that, go to this website and copy the link of that related paper and download the paper here. So this is the way you can download any of the research article. So thank you for watching, and I will show you the saved paper on the desktop here. So you can see here the desktop that the paper I have downloaded. So this is the paper that I have downloaded from this I have website.